Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the most professional way to automate Facebook group posts without ever freezing your PC. The first, you select the post function, then go to group post to automatically post to groups, and here you can customize the configuration and content of your posts. The next, you select time to next post. You can set up 20 to 40 seconds, and you can choose content. Click select content and pick every content you want to post. Allow duplicate content between actions or accounts, randomly in order. The special is import from Google Sheet. Finally, auto post on group Facebook. You need your group. You can see my setup. You can post random group or custom settings account. Auto post on group Facebook bypass spam. Manual posting is a nightmare in 2026. Managing hundreds of groups while dealing with system crashes or matters security AI is impossible. You need a smarter infrastructure that works for you. Introducing 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶. Our standout feature is background resource optimization. The tool runs silently to save your RAM and CPU, allowing you to use your PC for other work while the marketing machine stays active. You can monitor the live progress bar to see exactly which posts have succeeded or failed in real time. This level of transparency ensures you stay in full control of your account form's health every second. 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 also provides a comprehensive real-time history feed. Every single post, every group ID, and every precise timestamp is logged automatically. You will never have to guess if your content went live again. Need to analyze your campaign or report to your team? Simply export your entire posting history to a file with one click. It's the ultimate feature for tracking ROI and refining your targeting strategy. Combined with fingerprint isolation and spin content tag, every post looks organic. This builds massive page authority, forcing the Facebook algorithm to push your content to a much larger audience. Whether you manage 500 or 1,000 accounts, 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 is the scalable solution you need to dominate your niche, scale your business to the next level without the manual groundwork or system lag. Ready for free consultation? Contact our expert team via Telegram at @𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶 or WhatsApp at 8437611926. All the contact details are listed in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more pro-level automation secrets every week. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.